result. For the first time in Africa, a court-ordered vote has led to victory for the opposition candidate. Lazarus Chakwera has won Malawi's presidential rerun, defeating incumbent Peter Mutharika. The Constitutional Court had cancelled Mutharika's narrow win in the May 2019 election, citing vote tampering, and ordered a new election. Lazarus Chakwera is due to be sworn in the coming hours. Harry Mutasa reports.
By the time Lazarus Chakwera was declared the winner of Malawi's presidential election rerun, many Malawians already knew from early unofficial results that he would be their next president. What they wanted to know was exactly how much he had won by.
Lazarus Chakwera, the candidate who has attained 58.57%, has attained the requisite majority of electorate as appearing in the second schedule and is duly elected as president of the Republic of Malawi.
Nie kwe.